Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the correct adapter for your iPhone port, Lightning or USB-C, because physical fit matters. Once confirmed, charge the phone above 30% and turn off auto lock so recording won't stop. Clean the camera and adapter contacts with a microfiber cloth to avoid connection issues. Next, align the adapter with the phone's port, then press evenly until it seats. Do not force. This initial mounting ensures solid electrical and mechanical contact for the rest of the setup. Once the adapter is physically connected, plug the camera using a short, high-quality cable and support the cable with a strap or tape to prevent wobble. Open the iPhone camera app or your preferred third-party capture app and accept any USB or camera permission prompts. This step allows the phone to recognize the external feed. Then choose your input format, for example 4K at 30 frames or 1080p at 60, and turn on external mic monitoring if available. Finish by performing a short test recording of 10 to 30 seconds, checking focus, exposure, and audio levels so you can tweak settings before the main shoot. If the phone shows no signal, unplug and reconnect the adapter, swap the cable, try another adapter, or restart the iPhone. These steps resolve most handshake issues. Also, watch for overheating during long, high-resolution captures. Making small breaks and using airplane mode when safe reduces thermal throttling and preserves consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.